Welcome back, CNG 132, from our little 3-week vacation. Hopefully, you guys had a chance to enjoy yourself while practicing the social engineering extra credit. Once again, I will open up a discussion page for you guys to post what you did. Remember, don't put any specifics in there like name of the person or the place. Just put what you did, what you're able to retrieve, very generically, like I was able to get the person to answer questions about security questions about their first dog. And I'll go ahead and put that in the discussion area, or actually it's already there. Social engineering. Go ahead and post those right there. And a lot of it will be highly successful demonstrations as you guys start to see posts to this. So this week we're jumping into week 3. Week 3 we still have another in the news type assessment. I guess a category scrape. Over the semesters, I try to find a news article that we can kind of follow as we go through the semester. So I'll update you guys a little bit on that just in a few minutes. This week we do basic cryptography. Cryptography has been around for a long time. Basically, it dates back to the most prevalent is the Roman area, where they used to send generals encrypted messages that in case the enemy did get a hold of one of these messages, they didn't know how to decrypt it. Encryption can be swapping letters around. There was that, what was it, like 1980s, 70s song, Double Dutch, that, is a form of Pig Latin, but you couldn't understand it unless you knew what the people were doing. And that was one that I can still get over my kids, speaking just a little bit of Pig Latin. They have an idea of some of the words, but cannot decipher all the words. This week, another cool week that we really look at cryptography. We start leading into advanced cryptography. We look at some hash algorithm techniques and get an idea behind that just a little bit. Cool week. I like this week. I actually like all the weeks out of the Security Plus. I should say, like all the weeks out of all the classes. But this one, you get to really look at basic cryptography, see what it does, how it does. In the project this week, I believe it's this week, we look at stenography, a way to hide messages or data. I should just say data. We're able to hide data. It's not always messages. Hide data in pictures. Another really cool lab done in this. So this, let me see if I can do this right. I always try to bring it up on another screen just in case the internet pulls a fast one on me and decides to bring something up that I'm not supposed to. So, in the news, I think for this semester, we'll take a look at the Regis cyber attack and kind of analyze it as it goes through. Oh, and that's crazy. So, that's not working on that one.